Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be creating a special Java class so as to assign a value of a workout to the particular body part. So in order to create a new Java class, you simply go on to your app folder, and inside the app folder you are going to have a folder which is called as Java. So simply click on it, and inside Java we are going to have two folders. So in order to check which folder which we want to use, you simply open up both the folders, and we are going to choose the folder which is going to contain our main activity or the find workout activity. So in order to add up a Java class to this folder right here, we simply right click on it and we go to new and select a Java class. And as this class is going to assign a workout, so let's name this class as workout expert.java. So we simply click OK, and as you could see, the class has been successfully created by us. So now the next thing which we need to do is that we need to add some code to this class. So basically we want to make this class to choose a particular workout plan depending upon the body part chosen. So in order to do that, we first create a list which will consist of strings. So we type list string and we name it as get workouts, and then inside brackets we type string workout types, as it is going to save the workout types. Now after it we give the opening and a closing curly bracket, and as you could see we have an error right over here, and that is because we have not imported the list. So we simply press Alt and enter, and it is going to import the list for us. Now once we are done with this, the next thing which we do is that we also need to specify a list within this. So we type list string and we are going to create a list string for the workouts. So we type workout equals new array list, and this array list is going to be of type string. So we type string here as well. Now once we have this array list, the next thing which we need to do is that we need to type in the logic which we are going to use to assign a particular workout. So for example, if the workout type is going to be chest, then we assign an appropriate workout to it. So if the workout type, if this is equals to chest, then in this case what we want to do is that we want to add a proper exercise to it. So we type workout dot add, and let's say we want to add bench press to it. So we type bench press, and let's say the second exercise which we want to add to the chest workout is going to be the cable flies. So we type workout dot add and we type in cable flies. So let's say we have only two exercises in the chest workout. So now we move on to the other body parts. So let's add a workout for triceps. So we use the else if statement. So we type else if the workout type is equal to the triceps, then in this case we are going to use workout dot add tricep extensions, workout dot add tricep push downs, and then we add for shoulders. So we type else if workout type dot equals shoulder. Let's say we have only one exercise to it. So we type workout dot add shoulder press, and then finally we add for the bicep curl. So we type else if workout type dot equal, if this is equal to biceps, then we want to add bicep curls. So we type workout dot add bicep curls. So now we are done with designing the logic of our Java class. Now the next thing which we need to do is that we need to go out here and we need to return the value of workout. So we go right here and we type return, and we want to return the workout. So this thing basically is going to return this value which is present in either this or this. So that's it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll be finally using this Java class into our find workout activity Java class, and then finally we are going to run our application so as to check if our application performs correctly. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.